Okay, a few videos back, I had to replace the water pump in my 42, and in doing so I found this guy, Mike Hart Brothers Core Company down in Albany, Oregon. Sorry for me being a little jiggly. I bought a water pump from the guy and then sent my core to be rebuilt. The one that he rebuilt is an original 270 water pump, and the one here in this box is the replacement that I purchased 12 years ago. So let's see. Yep. So, excuse me. Kind of feel bad. Oh man, this came out great. Kind of feel bad for this kid up in Alaska. His YouTube channel is Backyard Alaskan, and I feel bad that he had a hard time finding a water pump because they're expensive. Now with this water pump, I wanted to make sure that I got it back because it's an Airtex water pump, and the rear bearing, look at that. See, okay, this, he says RTV silicone. So I've been in the glass business my entire life, and silicone does not stick to wood. It does not bond to wood or steel, and it makes good gasket, but you gotta put an even coat, let it cure for about 4 hours, and then tighten it down. If you just put it on something and then expect to tighten everything down and have it make a good bond, you're gonna get worms, so to speak, that squish and either go into your oil pan and your oil pump and your oil gallery, or into your water pump and then into your radiator and get stuck. This is the stuff that I use. Aviation Forma gasket. Yeah, it doesn't chemically bond with steel or wood, but it makes a really perfect gasket sealer. So yeah, I just I've seen too many horror stories happen with RTV silicone and engine parts. Anyway, so I appreciate him sending, yeah, putting that little note on there anyway. I want to say thanks to him for sending me back my water pump, because I marked it. Let me get the camera over there. Let's see if you guys can see that. I have a steel stamp. I got my DRH on the pulley, and I appreciate him sending me back my pulley. Now this Airtex water pump has a 7/8 wide groove pulley, and it's machined. So I remember paying, I think, $145 12 years ago for this water pump. And now if you can find them in rebuilt condition, you're going to pay between $300 and $375. So with the GM water pump, the inlet to the engine only has one hole. The Chevys have two. They're pretty similar, but I'm not sure if the Chevy water pump will line up with this. So I'm not going to take it apart. I'm just going to repackage it, put it back in the box, and put it up on the shelf. This is something that will come in useful in another 15 years when the one on 42 right now gives up the ghost. But that's it. I know I haven't done a video in a long time. I've been busy with work. I've had other things going on. So appreciate you tuning back in and taking a look at my video. Everybody out there, go fix something. Even if it's something little. A little bit of progress every day gets you closer to your goal. All right, have a great weekend. Or, yeah, later.